Ano yung pinaka-excited ka for this wedding?
Honeymoon.
May bata pa dito.
Feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would
Mine. Kala ko yung iyak. Salamat sa Diyos sa pagkakataon na mapakasalan ko. Ipinapangako ko na ako ay magiging mabuti, responsable, at tapat na asawa.
Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way. The way our world needs your touch, your touch in every space, and how it makes any place feel like home. Ooh.
I love her first. I remember when she was 7 years old. Every time I go somewhere, she would cry. When she was walking down the aisle earlier, it was me crying.
'Cause you're the ground beneath it all, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way.
Ito para sa'yo, dahil wala lang sa'yo na yan. Ikaw par, dahil tinuruan mo akong uminom.
Every space and how it makes any
Siya, congrats. Sabi natin nung high school, di ba? One of the last tayo. So, tama nga. Pero ikaw, fine. Thank you, Chief.
Sabina, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself a member in the love and service of your husband? That's fine.
My heart has never known this depth of love that I have for you, and I couldn't imagine spending my life with anyone else.
How are you feeling today? Our beautiful bride? Hindi ko pa alam.
pagsapit ng hating gabi, sa pagsigaw ng tinig, hiwaga ang dala ng ngiting umaapaw sa kilig, habang ang langit ay nakikinig sa ating himig. Kay ganda ng mga tanawin, hablot ang iyong mga kislap tila.
Congrats, Ate Jamila. Thank you for loving Kuya Art. And always remember that you are loved.
At ako ay kay sa atin ng mga tala at paru-paro sa ating paligid. Sa bawat dumpi ng liwanag sa mukha mo ay may pag-ibig at pag-asa.
Art, you have to happen. Today, in the presence of God and in front of our families and friends, we are thankful and grateful for this love. As I look into your eyes, I see a lifetime of love and happiness and companionship.
This will be the happiest day. And starting today, I hope you have the marriage and the family that you have been dreaming of. I love you and sana lahat ng love na binigay namin matumbasan at makikitan ni Kuya Kyle.
Alam mo, Jam, alam mo na ako nung pumunta sa amin ng birthday ko, kinabahan ako. Akala ko, nakita mo yung simpleng pamumuhay namin. Di mo na gusto si Art. Pero nakita ko sa'yo, tanggap mo, kami lahat halos nakachinyera sa uso ng bahay namin. Pero ikaw pala magpasok mo pala sa Middle Mauritius. Doon ko nakita na tanggap mo.
Alay sa'yo ang aking pusong nag-aalab sa dalangsinan mo. Sa bawat lambing at tawanan na dala mo ay may kilig sa aking pusong sinasakop ako. Ang iyong ngiti na umagaw sa kalungkutang ito. Ikaw ang umpisa at dulo ng habang buhay ko. Oh, oh, oh,
Everybody just
Lasting marriage is grounded on two things. Ano ba yun? Sa akin, respect. Respect one another. You are two different individuals, pero you are one in marriage. But you have to always have respect for one another. And syempre, love.
My husband, now and forever, I promise to love you and always be by your side through all of our ups and darkest times. Ikaw, Art, ang pinili ko. Pinipili kong makasama at laging pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. Thank you for sharing your life with me. I love you.
everybody just